All right, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to change the background on your Mac. So the first is if you go into System Preferences and you search for Desktop and Screensaver. You can see Screensaver and Desktop. You can change the desktop to these dynamic ones. Or if you have your own photo that you'd like to add, click the plus button here, and you can upload, or you can take a picture that you downloaded and set that as the screensaver. Another way that you can change the background is just with a file directly on your desktop here. So if you've downloaded it here, you can right click and then set as desktop picture, and that will change your desktop background. And then thirdly, another way is you can set from your Photos app. So if you go into Photos, and let's say you've got a photo here, if you right click, share here, and then set as desktop picture. And there you go. So that's 3 ways to change the desktop background in your Mac. Unsplash is a great place to get high quality wallpapers. You can go to unsplash.com and they've got all kinds of different ones you can just download here. We've downloaded it. And here we can set as desktop picture. And there we go. So that's quick ways to change your desktop background on your Mac.